Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Could you open up the hatch? Is it open or is it closed? Appreciate it, man. How you doing? Oh, thank you. I'm doing one right now.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Chris.
Chris, all right. Yeah, I'd like to hear it, man. Get a demo, sure. Be great. I appreciate you letting me up to see it. It's cool. Fired up, Bill. All right. I like the way you built the mids and highs and tweeters like on the side of it.
Oh yeah.
So that way you utilize your space to get the music output as well. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. It's done pretty clean. Audio Unique in Mayo, Florida.
Okay.
That's who
Right.
me and my two buddies, Lee Lawson. He's the owner
Okay.
of Auto Unique.
Yeah.
And Kevin, he's like one of the master builders.
Okay.
He sets it all up and
Hold on, guys.
so. All right, man. We'll get it playing real quick.
Sure, man. Awesome, man.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
Heck yeah, dude, that thing's loud. I didn't for no wall.
It'll get with it. You can check under the hood.
Yeah, I'd love to, man.
I'm running 5 batteries total.
Okay.
On a 320 amp alternator. Yeah, man.
Can I see the amp rack in the back? I mean, if there's a way to see the
Yeah.
door open, the seat. looks awesome.
Yeah, I got a little bit of cleaning up to do, but
That's all right. Would you tell me a full run around of everything in here for the equipment?
all right. So I got two SK3500 V2s running at half an ohm on the four VXF 15s, and then I've got this 1300 by 2 that's running my doors and tweeters up front, and then I've got these two DS18 1Ks that are running my mids and highs in the back there as well. And then I'm running a PR80 head unit, and then CES alternator is what I'm running right now. And then I've got 4 AGM batteries under here.
Down here.
Yep.
Looks good, man.
Oh yeah. I got a trim panel to put right there. Just didn't have time.
It's all
That's
right.
how it goes.
And what was your name?
My name's Dylan Green.
Dylan Green, okay.
I'm with Auto Unique over in Mayo.
On your hat.
Yep.
Very unique. All right.
Over in Mayo, Florida.
All right. Awesome. Thanks for the demo.
Yep.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.